Twisted genius, baby.
On the bus, he had got bust, too hot for the mega. Never fly, he be trapped, you know how to get them through the.
Is yeah, got Arkansas on the plate. I don't know why. Then yeah, I can't explain nothing else, cause it looked just like a normal Camaro. Got 22s, I think. RX. Okay, here we go with the slab. I got this slab right here. So yeah, got the Buick mixed with blue and green. That's the color. Black interior, as y'all see. And of course the Swanglers. Of course the fifth wheel. And the Texas license plate. Well, duh. I said it weird. Said it with an R in it. Come on. I don't know if this is a Tahoe or something. But yeah. It's one of them. I just lifted it like that. Cause it looked so ugly when I took it. Like when I tried to, I can't even take it even if I wanted to though. But yeah, it looked better this way. And I just searched up Tahoe to get them rims too. My other Tahoe, that's another coincidence why they're next to each other. Florida license plate. I just did this today. I'm gonna make that wider. Not right now. So, what am I forgot the name. I think it's a box. I don't know. Nah, this probably ain't no box shit. This something else. But yeah, got the camera in the back. I ain't got the phone. Got the phone back there. I ain't got the speakers. No back seats. Only 2 people can ride. Me and my homie. That's it. So, this my Oldsmobile, Cutlass Oldsmobile. Drop top. On some 28s. Oh yeah, with the black interior with the red stripes. You see now this just my other slab. You know, for like slab racing and stuff. So I don't need to explain nothing to that. This is my Hellcat Red Eye. Hellcat Challenger Red Eye. Got the interior in there. Black interior like always. And you always gotta go with the Forgiatos on the Hellcat. Like Rucci's, like if you could show me a good looking Hellcat on some Rucci's, I would be happy. See, I just made this today. My other Chevy truck. Um, 22s, like always. No, not like always. And this just a Buick for slab racing. I'm gonna explain that right there. Just got brown on the bottom. Got the Buick rims on that too. Then I got the other Buick. Or this a Cadillac. I don't know. It's either a Buick or a Cadillac. Yeah. Texas license plate. I don't know where a slab gonna go. And you know, we got to add a swinger. Same color as the other Buick. And this car just used for slab race. But this one, I got the Louisiana plates on it. And this one actually got swingers. And I just made these off like, well, I ain't actually like putting work into it. So yeah, I ain't try. Another car for slab racing. Alright. Oh yeah, this a Pontiac though. But yeah, it's made for slab racing. And this, I'm making a new car. I mean, not. I'm gonna get another car. That's just for another car. My Chevy Chevelle 1971 Louisiana plates with 26-inch rims. And of course, can't go wrong with the wide in the back and the skinny in the front. Wide rims, skinny rims in the front. Do not put wide rims on the front and the back. Trust me, it looks horrible. It'll probably mess your motor. And of course, the car we just made. Well, I made. But the car I just showed. The box Chevy Tudo. Yes, I have like 3 or 4 box Chevys. Yeah, probably. Yeah, 4 box Chevys. Or 3. No, 4 box Chevys. But yeah, I'm on my cars. And yeah.